Power, precision, and durability matter when shaping metal, cleaning welds, and preparing surfaces for professional or home fabrication projects today. The best angle grinder for welding helps you achieve smooth cuts, controlled grinding, reduced vibration, longer motor life, and consistent performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT 20-volt angle grinder. The DEWALT 20-volt angle grinder is engineered for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand reliability, precision, and safety in their grinding projects. Its brushless motor eliminates the need for regular brush changes, allowing for longer motor life and more consistent power output, while also reducing maintenance requirements. One standout feature of this angle grinder is its brake system, which stops the wheel in 2 seconds or less on average, minimizing the risk of accidents and ensuring swift transitions between tasks. The kickback brake adds an extra layer of safety by detecting pinch, stall, or bind-up events and instantly engaging the electronic brake to reduce wheel movement, effectively shutting off the grinder and preventing potential injury. Another innovative safety feature is the E-switch protection, which ensures the tool doesn't restart unexpectedly after a power outage. This no-volt release function requires the trigger to be cycled off and on to resume operation, giving users peace of mind during power interruptions. The grinder also features a 2-stage trigger that demands 2 separate actions to activate the tool, further reducing the risk of accidental starts. Ergonomically designed, the DEWALT angle grinder fits comfortably in the hand, making it easier to maintain control during extended use, while its compact size allows for work in tighter spaces without sacrificing performance. The combination of powerful, brushless motor performance and advanced safety measures ensures that users can handle a wide range of grinding, cutting, and finishing tasks with confidence. Whether you're working on metal, masonry, or other materials, this angle grinder delivers consistent speed, torque, and precision, making it a dependable addition to any workshop or job site. Its thoughtful design emphasizes both user comfort and operational safety, allowing for focused and uninterrupted workflow while mitigating potential hazards, ensuring every project is completed efficiently and safely. Number 2. KSEIBI 711985 angle grinder. The KSEIBI 711985 angle grinder is designed to deliver high performance and versatility for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a robust 2400-watt 15A motor, this floor grinder achieves a no-load speed of 6,000 RPM, providing the efficiency and speed needed to tackle a wide variety of concrete grinding and smoothing tasks. The tool's design emphasizes precision and control, with L-type and standard auxiliary handles that allow for versatile handling and improved maneuverability during operation. Safety is also a top priority with the KSEIBI grinder, which comes equipped with a protective guard and advanced dust shroud system to minimize airborne debris and protect the operator during extended use. The 7H grinder, featuring a 7/8-inch arbor, is versatile enough for a range of applications, making it suitable for both large-scale construction projects and small DIY renovations. Portability is another key advantage, as the grinder comes with a durable carrying bag for easy transport and organized storage of both the tool and its accessories. The complete kit ensures that users have everything they need to start grinding immediately, including multiple handles, a dust extraction shroud, and a protective guard. With its combination of power, safety features, and portability, the KSEIBI 711985 angle grinder provides a comprehensive grinding solution for anyone who values precision, control, and reliability in their work. Its design prioritizes operator comfort, efficiency, and ease of maintenance, making it an ideal choice for professional and home projects alike. This grinder successfully balances raw power with practical usability, ensuring users can complete grinding tasks with minimal fatigue and maximum accuracy.
Number 3.
AOBEN Brushless Angle Grinder. The AOBEN Brushless Angle Grinder is built for users who need portability, power, and flexibility in a cordless tool. Its brushless motor provides increased efficiency, faster heat dissipation, longer lifespan, and lower energy consumption compared to traditional motors. This angle grinder comes with 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing operators to achieve up to 9,500 RPM, which makes it suitable for a wide variety of applications, including metal grinding, tile cutting, rust removal, and surface preparation. The grinder includes 2 large-capacity 21-volt 4.0 Ah lithium-ion battery packs, delivering long runtime and freeing users from the constraints of corded operation. This makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. Safety and convenience are central to the AOBEN design, featuring 2 protective wheel guards, 1 full and 1 half covered, which shield users from sparks and flying debris. The tool is compatible with universal sizes, featuring a 7/8" arbor and a 5/8-11 spindle, and includes a spindle lock for faster wheel changes, along with an auxiliary handle for added control and comfort. The kit is complete with 2 batteries, a charger, cutting and grinding wheels, sanding wheels, a handle, wheel guards, a wrench, and a sturdy tool case, ensuring users have everything needed for versatile operations right out of the box. Smart chip technology protects both motor and battery by temporarily suspending operation if overload or overheating occurs, automatically recovering when conditions normalize. Compact and ergonomically designed, this grinder provides excellent balance and reduces operator fatigue, allowing for precision in demanding tasks. Overall, the AOBEN Brushless Angle Grinder combines cordless convenience, powerful performance, and comprehensive safety features, making it a practical choice for tradespeople and hobbyists alike. Number 4. Metabo 11-amp Angle Grinder. The Metabo 11-amp angle grinder embodies German engineering excellence, emphasizing durability, safety, and productivity. Its Metabo long-life motor delivers extended service life, higher torque, and up to 20% greater overload capacity, ensuring consistent performance in heavy-duty applications. The S-automatic mechanical safety slip clutch significantly reduces the likelihood of kickback, giving users control if the accessory jams during operation. The patented M-Quick system allows for rapid, tool-free disc changes with the large spindle lock button, optimizing workflow efficiency. A non-locking paddle switch enhances safety and comfort, while auto-stop carbon brushes prevent motor damage by stopping the tool when brushes reach their service limit. The adjustable guard is tool-free and burst-proof, ensuring protection during aggressive grinding tasks. Overall, this angle grinder is engineered to provide professional-grade performance, with emphasis on operator safety and long-term reliability.
Number 5. Bosch GWS 845 Angle Grinder. The Bosch GWS 845 Angle Grinder combines power, precision, and ergonomic design for professional and hobbyist users. Its 7.5-amp motor delivers 11,000 no-load RPM, providing high-speed grinding for metal, masonry, and other materials. The slim grip design ensures comfort during prolonged use, reducing operator fatigue. Durable carbon brushes extend tool life, while the 2-position side handle enhances control and versatility. Directed airflow protects vital components from dust, maintaining performance and longevity. The burst protection guard allows for quick adjustments and safety, while service minder brushes signal when maintenance is needed, preventing motor damage. The large spindle lock enables easy and quick disc changes, making this angle grinder a reliable and efficient tool for a wide range of applications. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.